Hi there and welcome. In today's class, we're gonna, just about 60 minutes, we are going to incorporate some exercises using that chair. And after you do the exercises on the chair, you're not gonna think the chair is your friend anymore because they're gonna be hard, but we are gonna work out using that chair. We're gonna use some dumbbells and a mat. So are you ready to get started? I do hope so. Let's do this. Welcome, take a big deep breath up. My name is Adita Lang, and I'm so glad you guys are here. Round your shoulders forward, hold it there. And again, inhale, take it up. And exhale, press it down. And now just pull it over to one side, get the side of your body really stretched. Force the opposite hip down, hold it, and do the same thing with the other side. There we go. And one more time, take it up, big deep breath. And now just turn and exhale here. And then inhale, turn the body and exhale there. And bring that back up, rolling the shoulders up and back. Full inhale, full exhale. After a long day, we just need to move that body. Or maybe we're getting started, who knows? Either way, let's take it side to side. Right here, full inhale and exhale. You're gonna kick one heel forward and then kick it in. And take the heel forward and take it in. There we go. Now remember to always breathe, work at your own pace. If you're at home, you can turn on whatever music you want to go along with your workout, okay? Full inhale, full exhale, kick it forward, and then take it in. Bye. Thank you for joining me today in class. Remember, you've got to work out every day. Got to keep that body moving, so do as much as you can. Try one of my other videos, and please enjoy. Thanks for coming to class. Bye.